Here we have a Volkswagen Polo. Now it's a 1 litre TSI SE 95 PS. The car is great and it has a good spec as well, including an automatic post-collision braking system, hill hold control, an anti-lock braking system, a forward collision warning system, a hydraulic brake assist, a driver alert system, a jack and toolkit, and these 15-inch Salou alloy wheels. The boot as well is a good size, and it even comes equipped with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has a colour touchscreen, a composition media system, and a USB port for Apple or Android CarPlay. So for more information, feel free to phone, email, or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.